How to remove your Gmail account from another device. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how we can remove our Gmail account from another device. So without any delay, let's just get started with the video. Go ahead and open up your Gmail app, and once you are there, in the top right, all you need to do is go ahead and tap on your Gmail account. After that, go to manage your Google account. Once you are here, you'll be finding your information about your Google account. So from this section, swipe right and go to Security tab. And from Security tab, scroll down, and when you go to this section, you'll be finding your devices. So all you need to do is head over to Manage All Devices. And when you go over here, you'll be finding the device in which your Gmail account is logged in. So you just need to head over to the application from which you want to remove the app, from which you want to remove your Gmail account. And for that, you need to verify that it is you first. After you verify yourself, you should be finding an option called Remove Account from this section, or a sign out option like this one right here. Just go ahead and tap on it, and once that is done, your Gmail account should be removed from that particular device that you don't want. So that is how you do it. It is a very easy method you can follow up. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.